This video will show you how to set a null value on a drop-down and text field for your records using CloudExtend application. This is the record I want to update. Let's empty out the header level, physical location field, and memo field. I will retrieve the data into Excel using CloudExtend app. To set null value on physical location, type in open double bracket around the word null. Repeat this value on the records you wish to update. Click Upsert, and to validate if the fields are empty, refresh the record, and now you see it did not retrieve any value from NetSuite. I will open NetSuite, and as you can see, the physical location field is already empty. Next, I want to remove the value on the memo header level field. To do that, type in colon, empty colon, and repeat this value on the record you wish to update. Click Upsert. Let's validate by clicking refresh to see the latest update, or you can also go to NetSuite and see that the fields are already cleared. For line level fields, simply clear out the values you want to set to null. You need to add replace all field and set it to true when removing values, then hit Upsert. I will remove the value in the department and memo line level, set true in the replace all field, then Upsert. If I refresh the record in NetSuite, this is cleared out in line level, department, and memo, or click refresh on CloudExtend to show the latest update.